The state Supreme Court now hearing arguments on whether or not executions by firing squad or the electric chair are constitutional. Here's Zoe Henry.
After 12 years, the state of South Carolina wants to resume executions. But there are legal questions about using the firing squad and the electric chair. It's an issue under review by the state Supreme Court.
Is that capital punishment is constitutional. That's something this court has consistently held for decades. And if capital punishment is constitutional, there must be a constitutional means of carrying out that punishment.
Justice John Kittredge raised questions about what makes a punishment cruel or unusual.
We don't impose more than is necessary to accomplish death. Yet the very protocols issued by the director in South Carolina anticipates there will be a second volley of bullets. Doesn't that anticipate that there'll be the extended consciousness?
South Carolina put lethal injection executions on hold until lawmakers passed a law shielding the identities of pharmaceutical companies providing the drugs needed for execution. But Chief Justice Donald Batty says lethal injection isn't getting challenged in this case.
In this particular case, lethal injection is not challenged. In fact, they have conceded that it is constitutional.
However, the attorney defending the 4 inmates who filed this lawsuit say his clients want to know what drugs will be used to carry out an execution.
The question, yes, okay, there are questions that should be answered about this before someone is executed by lethal injection. The potency, the purity, and the stability are important questions about this. And if it's manufactured versus compounded, you have different sets of problems.
The defendant made the choice. That's my point. The defendant gets to make the choice.
It's unclear when justices will have a decision.
Again, that was Zoe Henry reporting tonight. Executions in the state of South Carolina for the 33 inmates currently on death row will remain on hold until the state Supreme Court makes some sort of decision.